Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Era of Skills. In this video, I will walk through AutoCAD 2020 setup and interface guide for the beginner. If you are new to AutoCAD or starting your drafting career in civil, mechanical or the architectural design, this video will help you get started the right way. So let's open the AutoCAD 2020 and begin. Before starting video, I will let you know 5 points. In this video you will going to learn this first 5 points: opening AutoCAD and startup screen. Second point, understanding the AutoCAD interface. Third point, setting up units and drawing limits, this is very important. And fourth point, customization workspace. And the fifth point is saving your first ever drawing, or you can tell this saving your first AutoCAD setup. So let's begin the AutoCAD interface.
Once you install, this is the interface you will going to see on your desktop. Just double click on this icon, you will open this AutoCAD. Once you open the AutoCAD, you will see this kind of interface. In this, you can get started with the new file. If you have already done some kind of drawing, you will see recent documents in this area. If you have new, this will be empty. You can start drawing from here and here also, this plus icon. For now I am starting from this. After opening the AutoCAD, this is the interface you will going to see. First I will tell you the important AutoCAD interface. This is called the menu, or maybe the application menu or logo. Once you click here, top left, in this menu you will open a new drawing and open existing drawing you have already done. You can save and save as. What is the difference between save and save as? Save for the new drawing, save as for the same drawing with a different name on a different location. This is the difference between save and save as. You can import or export the drawing, publish, or you can print. And this is the drawing utilities, you can close from here. That's it. This is the first application menu. Second is ribbon top bar. This is called the ribbon. Whole face is called this top of ribbon. Ribbon is divided into tabs like home, insert, annotation, parametric, view, manage, output, and so on. Okay. Each tab contain panels. For example, home contain drawing panel. This is called the drawing panel. This is divided in this block, and this is modification panel, and this is annotation panel, layer panel, block panel, property panel, group panel, utility, and clipboard. Annotation panel also come here with more efficiency. For now we are using only this. The third point is drawing area. This is called your drawing area. The whole black and white area is called drawing area. In some AutoCAD, after installation, this black and white black background will come on white face. You can change it from option settings. I will show you in any other further videos. This is the most important thing in the AutoCAD. Command line, bottom of the screen. This will always come bottom of the screen. This is the most powerful part of the AutoCAD. You can here type any kind of command like line, circle, move, and copy. Always keep an eye here because AutoCAD give instruction step by step for guidance for the perfect accuracy drawing. Okay. This is the navigation bar. You can zoom, pan, or rotate your drawing. For example, I will click here. This will change the view. This is and this is. I will come to the top for 2D drawing I am using. Okay. And this is the view cube. This is more useful for the 3D, but good to know for the start. This is useful in 3D only, not for the 2D. First we will learn 2D drawing, then we will move to the further 3D purpose. Okay. This is called the status bar. You can see from model to here is called the status bar. Status bar contain quick toggles like snap, grid, or ortho object snap. This tool you help you to draft preciously. Okay. uh, you can turn off and turn on for the better understanding. This is the grid command, and this is for the lineup grids, and this is the O snap. I will show you in when we have started the drawing. Okay, let's come with the another part. Once you open and see all this interface you have to learn already, start with the unit setup and drawing limits. Before starting any drawing, it is important to set up your units. Type units in the command line. Here you can type commands. I will type UNIT adds. Enter. In this, you will choose decimal, engineer, architectural, or any other type. Architecture, decimal, engineer, fractional, and sanctification. If you are working on fits and measurement, always use architectural and engineer. If you are using your drawing comes in a meter or a millimeter, you have to use decimal. For now example, I am using architectural. I will come and precision should be 0 dash 0 0 feet dash 0 inches. Always choose units to scale insert contain. In architectural, we will work only on fits and inches. Always set to the fits because we have the precision 0 feet dash 0 comma. This is help you to learn see the perfect accuracy of your drawing. Click OK. That's it. For use this architectural drawing or linear units, insert unit should be set to inches. Are you sure you want to update with the value current value? Yes. Okay. Press OK. Okay. And then comes to the next point, that is limits. Type here limits. Enter. You can see reset model space limit, specify lower corner. This will first 0 comma 0. Enter. And the next specify upper right corner should be, for example, this is depend on the drawing how the larger project you are drawing. For example, right now we are the beginner. We will set 100 comma 100 starting 0 comma 0 and this 100 comma 100. Then Z enter, zoom enter, and A enter. This will comes to the drawing precision screen. Okay. The next point we are going to learn, which is customize working space. In the right of the corner, you can use for bigger space. For example, this is you are drawing some of the drawing which needs bigger space, or your monitor may be small, so you want use complete structure. You can go and click here. You can use complete by just typing commands. This is the fourth part, and now the fifth part is the drawing save. How you can save the drawing? For example, I have already shown you from here application menu. You can save and save as. For example, I am saving this new drawing 4, and wherever the location you want to set. For example, I have saving this file my setup into desktop and placing the name is my first drawing, my FIRST first DRAWING drawing. This is my name for the drawing. Always choose file of types. Always choose this, or maybe if you are having the upper version, you can choose and save. That's it. This is the process. Congratulations to you all. You have learned how to set up AutoCAD 2020, and which is similar to the latest version AutoCAD 2025. Understanding it interface. In the next video, we will go deeper into drawing basic shapes, modification, object, and working with layers. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are learning AutoCAD. Don't forget to comment below what topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial part. Thanks.